Welcome to my channel. Today, I tell you about plant stand ideas. Elevate your greenery. Creative plant stand ideas for every space. Introduction. Adding plants to your living spaces not only brings a touch of nature indoors, but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your surroundings. While choosing the right plants is important, selecting the perfect plant stands can truly elevate the visual impact of your botanical displays. From minimalist designs to eclectic styles, there's a plethora of plant stand ideas to choose from. This article will explore some creative and innovative plant stand ideas that cater to various tastes and spaces. 1. Minimalist marvels. For those who appreciate simplicity and clean lines, minimalist plant stands are the way to go. Look for stands made of materials like metal or wood in sleek designs. A single metal stand with a geometric pattern can effortlessly complement your modern interiors. Alternatively, wooden stands with clean, straight lines can bring a touch of warmth and tranquility to any room. 2. Tiered elegance. Tiered plant stands are perfect for displaying multiple plants in a compact space. These stands come in various heights and can be either symmetrical or asymmetrical in design. They add depth to your plant arrangement, creating a visually appealing focal point. Whether you have a collection of succulents or a mix of different plant types, a tiered stand can create an enchanting garden-like display indoors. 3. Hanging haven. Utilize vertical space by incorporating hanging plant stands. Macrame hangers provide a bohemian vibe, while modern alternatives use sleek lines and materials like leather or metal for a contemporary look. Hanging plants not only add greenery at eye level, but also infuse a sense of airiness and movement to your room. 4. Repurposed charm. Get creative by repurposing old furniture pieces or vintage finds as plant stands. Vintage ladders, wooden crates, or even old chairs can be transformed into unique plant display areas. Not only do these pieces add character, but they also contribute to sustainable and eco-friendly decor. 5. Botanical shelves. Incorporate both functionality and style with plant shelving units. These stands offer plenty of space for a variety of plants while also serving as decorative storage. Opt for open wooden shelves for a rustic feel or metal and glass combinations for a contemporary touch. 6. Floating illusion. For a captivating visual effect, consider using floating plant stands. These innovative designs create the illusion that your plants are suspended in midair. Magnetic or levitating planters can add a touch of magic to your interiors and make your green companions appear as if they're defying gravity. 7. Statement sculptures. Transform your plant stand into a piece of art by selecting sculptural designs. Look for stands that double as art installations, with intricate patterns and captivating shapes. These stands not only showcase your plants, but also become a focal point in your room's decor. 8. Terrarium tables. Combine functionality and greenery by choosing plant stand tables with built-in terrariums. These tables allow you to create mini ecosystems within your living space, enhancing the overall ambience and bringing a piece of the